Hello, here is Mano Daniels once again, and sequel to my previous video on creating a histogram from a pivot table. You have a survey results of different respondents and their ratings for different items. Now here we are going to create a pivot table. You select any cell and you use the insert tab of the ribbon because this is not formatted as a table, otherwise you will see the table context charter. So you can summarize with a pivot table, and we are going to put our pivot table on a separate sheet. Okay, now this is the pivot table field list. Now what we want to do, we want the item to lie across the row, and the ratings will be on the column, and then we have the number of respondents should be on the value area, but we are going to not the sum of the respondents, we are going to use the count. We are going to change the value field settings, the count of the respondents that uses those ratings. These are the count of the respondents. These are 450 persons. These are their ratings. Then we want to show this as percentage here. So you select any cell and you right click and you say show value as percentage of the column total. Percentage of the column total. So this is what you will have, percentage of the column total. If you check, this is up to 100 here. Okay, the column total. Now I want to format this to, let me format this home tab. I want to reduce the decimals. Okay, this is what we have now. So it means 20% says that employees are friendly, 24% gave a rating of 2, and 18% gave a rating of 5. Now we are going to create a pivot chart from this pivot table. So you analyze and you say pivot chart. Now use a column chart. Now this column chart looks terrible. So it's better to use a slicer we're going to use a slicer to display the item that we want to see. Let's use the item slicer. Use item slicer here, and we can use it to display the item that I want to see. People that says employees are friendly, you can see the proportion of people that says employees are, you can see the ratings. People that say employees are helpful, you can see the number of people, that the percentage of people that gave a rating of 1 and the percentage of people that gave a rating of 5. So this is how we can use a pivot table to create a frequency distribution chart for a survey result. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for listening.